Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video you are going to learning about how to change or reset your Snapchat ID password, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, my name is Stark and you are watching the Starkness Guide YouTube channel, on which I upload the tricks and the tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Snapchat app. After that, just simply here you can see your profile picture or avatar in the top left corner. Just tap on it like that, and then here you can see a gear in the top right corner. Just tap at that gear to open up your account settings. In your account settings here, you can see a password option. Let me show it to you clearly, just like that. It's this option. Just tap on it like that. Here this is give your current password. Let me give my current password in few minutes. So here when I have given my current password, here this is give new password and then confirm password. You have to give your new password over there and then tap at confirm password. Let me give the new password and confirm password. Just wait for a while. Add new password, and then I have confirmed the new password in the second like bar. Here I get the option of save. Once you're done with it, just simply tap at save to continue. Here I will recommend you to like pick a strong password, otherwise they will not give access that to that save button. So once you're done with it, here they say your password has been updated, and I have also get an email from Snapchat team that my password has been updated. So here you can see we have just changed our password. So that's how you can easily do that. So I hope it helps you guys. If it helps, then make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen. Goodbye till the next video.